Staying in the bed till late is wasting a beautiful morning of your life. The best dreams happen when you are awake. Life is short and the world is wide. गीत मधुर गाती है ये सागर की लहरें, वायु संग बहती हैं ये सागर की लहरें। जब अपनी मस्ती में खाती है हिलोरे, तट को छू जाती हैं ये सागर की लहरें। सीपी के मुख में जब बन ओस है गिरती, मोती बन जाती हैं ये सागर की लहरें। मूल्यवान निधियों को गोदी में समेटे किनारे लाती हैं ये सागर की लहरें। पूनम का चंदा है जब उन पे मुस्काता, हलचल से भरती हैं ये सागर की लहरें। कष्ट झेलते चाहे नाविक हो जितना भी, सहना सिखलाती हैं ये सागर की लहरें। Hello friends, I am back on my travel trail and we are meeting through my YouTube channel Adventures with Us with ED. I have come 40 kilometers from Thane to be here on this Uttan beach that you can see behind me. I started very early in the morning to be here so that I can catch the rising sun and the early morning low tide. You can see the beach is on the low tide and there are lots of people here doing their early morning activities of jogging or meeting their friends, chit-chatting, sitting on the rocks and enjoying the beauty of the early morning. Beach ka kinara or rising sun, nothing more do you need to make your day. Low tide is the best time to be here on the beach. The beach is not dangerous. You can wade through the water, do all the activities that you would want to enjoy. यही सबसे सही वक्त होता है बीच पर आने का, जब लो टाइड चल रहा होता है and we can just go into the water without any fear. So come on, let us get into the water. Uttan Beach is the best chilling spot, less crowded and very peaceful. It offers a great view of the shoreline. When the sun is shining, I can do almost anything. Uttan Beach is a hilltop coastal town of Mumbai, surrounded by the Arabian Sea. And you get a good company even at the hilltop. This beach is nestled in the lap of nature and a very good chill out place for Mumbaikars to be away from their day-to-day busy life. This beach is not good for swimming because of the rocky nature of the rocks here. So you can wade through it, you can enjoy the beach, but not advisable to swim. Locals here believe that if this place is converted into a tourist spot, it will lose all its beauty. That is why this beach is less popular compared to the other beaches on the Arabian Sea. Whatever it may be, this place is a great place to chill out for a day. And if you think I have been able to instigate even an inch of desire in you to be here at any time somewhere in future, do like, share and subscribe my channel. While I wade through the water, you can enjoy my video. Bye bye. The beach is for those who love to relax, unwind, and enjoy the fun of being in the waters. The beach is surrounded by hills and coconut trees. This is the best place to give a vent to all your overflowing potential energy. There's nothing in your heart that you cannot accomplish. याद आ गया वो बचपन सुहाना. This is me. Do subscribe. This is where you can learn your geography. Potholes are made in the sea like this. This place is a 8 kilometers drive from Bhayandar through narrow lanes and hilly roads. Feeling at the top of the world. Majority of the population in this Uttan town is East Indian Catholic. This is eminent from the various Catholic shrines you see on the way here. Surrounded by hills and in the lap of nature is the Mother Valankini Church or Our Lady of Valankini Shrine. The church is dedicated to Our Lady of Good Health. What you see here is the representation of Our Lady with Koli Catholics. Lakhs of visitors come here every year to offer their prayers. This place is inhabited by Koli civilization and their main occupation is fishing. This stairway you see is a flight of around 200 steps to reach the top, where you see a majestic statue of Our Lady. From here you can see a panoramic view of the coastal town. This is the last lap and here I am at the top. This was Mumbai's hidden beauty, a mini Goa in Mumbai, surrounded by churches and beaches. A good respite from the cares of the day-to-day saga. See you again somewhere else. Bye bye.